Today I wanted to give you a quick reminder of how to multiply mixed numbers and fractions. Remember, when multiplying fractions, you take the numerator of one fraction and multiply it by the numerator of the other, and then the denominator of one fraction and multiply that by the denominator of the other. So we end up in this fraction with 2 times 4 and 3 times 5, which gives us 8/15. 8/15 can't be simplified, so we're done. When multiplying mixed numbers, like 2.5 times 3 and 1/4, you first have to turn the mixed numbers into improper fractions by multiplying the whole number times the denominator, 2 times 2, and then adding the numerator. So 2 and 1/2 is 5 halves, and 3 and 1/4, 3 times 4 is 12, plus 1 is 13, becomes 13/4. Then, just like above, we multiply the numerators and we multiply the denominators. 5 times 13 is 50 plus 15, which is 65. And 2 times 4 is 8. Then we have to convert that improper fraction to a mixed number. 65 divided by 8. 8 goes into 65 rather. 8 times with 1 left over. So your answer would be 8 1/8. Hope that helps you remember how to do it. If you have to multiply a mixed number by a whole number, you take that mixed number and you first turn it into an improper fraction by multiplying the whole number times the denominator, 2 times 4, plus 3, so that would be 8, plus 3 is 11/4. And you take the whole number and write it as a fraction by putting it over 1. So this becomes 12 times 11 over 4 times 1. Which you can multiply out, and you get 132 over 4, which you can then simplify by dividing 132 by 4. 4 goes into 13 3 times for 12. Subtract, we get a 1. Drop our 12 down. 4 goes into 12 3 times. So 132 divided by 4 equals 33. Now, remember that you can also simplify before you multiply. I look at my numerators and my denominators. 11 and 4 can't be simplified, and 11 and 1 can't be simplified. But 12 and 4 can be simplified. They can both be divided by 4. 4 divided by 4 is 1. 12 divided by 4 is 3. And now we have 11 times 3 on top and 1 times 1 on the bottom, which gives us an answer of 33 over 1, which simplifies to 33. If you happen to be multiplying a mixed number times another fraction, you don't have to do anything with the fraction, but you still have to convert the mixed number to an improper fraction. So this problem has to become 2 times 4, which is 8, plus 3, 11/4, times 5/6, which gives us 11 times 5 over 4 times 6. And in this case, there is nothing we can simplify. 11 and 4, 11 and 6, no. 5 and 6, 5 and 4 doesn't work. So we have 55 over 24. And again, you simplify by dividing. 55 divided by 24. 24 goes into 55 2 times for 48. Cross off and subtract, and you get 2 7/24. Hope that was helpful.